This is the video for chapter 20.1, Diversity of Protists. If you look at a drop of water from a pond, a roadside puddle, or a bird bath, you might find specimens of both Didinium and Paramecium. Despite their unique appearances, they are single-celled. That is what makes single-celled protists so amazing. They can carry out all life's functions within just one cell. As you will see, one cell can be quite complex. The kingdom Protista includes a huge diversity of organisms in hundreds of phyla. Members of this kingdom are often simply called protists. A protist is a eukaryote that is not an animal, a plant, or a fungus. Although protists share some similarities with animals, plants, and fungi, they are different enough from each group that they do not fit in any of them. Protists can be classified into three categories based on how they get their food. These categories do not show evolutionary relationships among protists. However, they are a helpful way to organize this very diverse group of organisms. Animal-like protists. Some protists get their food like animals do, by eating other organisms. However, animal-like protists differ from animals. All animal-like protists are single-celled, and all animals are multicellular. Plant-like protists. Some protists get their food like plants do, through photosynthesis. However, plant-like protists differ from plants. Plant-like protists do not have roots, stems, or leaves. Plant-like protists may be single-celled or multicellular, or live in colonies of cells. But true plants are all multicellular. Fungus-like protists. Some protists get their food in the same way that fungi do, by decomposing dead organisms. However, fungus-like protists differ from fungi because they can move for part of their life cycle, and fungi cannot. Scientists used to classify protists in kingdom Protista, but new technology and research have led scientists to conclude that it is not useful to classify all protists into this kingdom. One reason is that not all protists fall into a group that is animal-like, plant-like, or fungus-like. Another reason is that some protists have characteristics that put them into more than one of these groups. Today, many scientists think a more accurate way to classify protists, and all eukaryotes for that matter, is in supergroups. The diagram on your screen here shows a way of classifying eukaryotes into 4 supergroups. Please review the phylogenetic tree shown on the screen here. To which clades are the slime molds most closely related? Press pause and generate your answer now. The correct answer: fungi, choanoflagellates, and animalia. Which of the following are more closely related? Green algae and oak trees, or green algae and red algae? Press pause and generate your answer. The correct answer: green algae and oak trees. One last check for understanding. What one characteristic do all protists have? Press pause and generate your answer. The correct answer is that all protists are eukaryotes.